The power of webinars: how to drive traffic and conversions to your website. Webinars have become increasingly popular over the past few years, and for a good reason. They offer a unique opportunity to connect with your audience, provide valuable information, and drive traffic and conversions to your website. In this article, we will explore the benefits of using webinars in your digital marketing strategy and provide practical tips on how to create successful webinars that will engage your audience and boost your website traffic and conversions. The benefits of webinars in digital marketing. Hosting webinars allows you to establish yourself as an expert in your industry, build trust with your audience, and demonstrate your brand's value. Webinars offer a great opportunity to generate leads and grow your email list. You can collect attendees' contact information and follow up with them after the webinar to nurture them into customers. Promoting your webinar through social media, email marketing, and other channels can bring new visitors to your website and increase brand awareness. Webinars provide an opportunity to showcase your product or service, answer questions, and provide a personalized experience that can convert attendees into customers. Planning your webinar. Your webinar topic should be relevant and valuable to your target audience. Consider what challenges your audience faces and how your product or service can help solve them. There are many platforms available for hosting webinars, such as Zoom, GoToWebinar, and WebinarJam. Choose one that suits your needs and budget. Your webinar should have a clear structure and flow. Create an outline that includes an introduction, main content, and a conclusion. Creating your webinar content. Incorporating visuals such as images, videos, and infographics can make your webinar more engaging and memorable. Use stories and examples to illustrate your points and make your content more relatable. Encourage your audience to ask questions and participate in polls or quizzes to keep them engaged and interested. Promoting your webinar. Send targeted emails to your list of subscribers and customers, highlighting the benefits of attending your webinar. Promote your webinar on your social media channels and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Partnering with influencers in your industry can help you reach a wider audience and increase credibility. Following up after the webinar. Send a personalized email to thank attendees for their participation and provide a link to the webinar recording. Share relevant blog posts, case studies, or other resources that can help attendees further. Use email marketing and lead nurturing techniques to continue building relationships with your attendees and move them further down the sales funnel. Webinars are a powerful tool for driving website traffic and conversions. By providing valuable content, building trust and authority, and engaging your audience, you can attract new customers and deepen relationships with existing ones. Remember to plan and promote your webinar effectively, use engaging visuals and interactive tools, and follow up with attendees to maximize the impact of your efforts. With the right approach, webinars can be a highly effective part of your digital marketing strategy.